Here we have number 6. You're going to find the area of the trapezoid, rhombus, or the kite. Know what shape you're looking at. First of all, this is a trapezoid. All right. And then we know that the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height. But the base is B1 plus B2. There's 2 bases. All right. So let's label it. This is your base 1, 37. This is your height, perpendicular to that, 23. And this is your base 2, which is 22. Just plug it in now. 1/2 times 23 times parentheses 37 plus 22. Okay, let's simplify what's inside the parentheses first. Okay, what's 37 plus 22? That is 59. All right, so here that's what you plug into the calculator. 1/2 times 23 times 59. That gets me area is 678.5 feet squared. Okay, let's take a look at B. This one looks like a rhombus, and for a rhombus, the formula for the area is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Notice the diagonal is this complete thing here. So diagonal 1, right? This is 12, this is 12, so diagonal 1 equals 224. This whole thing is diagonal 2. This is 11, so this is 11. Diagonal 2 is 22. So we now can plug it in. Area is equal to 24 times 22. That gets me 528 meters squared. C. The rhombus and the kite actually shares the same formula. Area equals to diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. The diagonal 1 is this complete length here. Diagonal 1 is equal to 20. And then the diagonal 2 is going to be 10 plus 20, which is 30. So we can now plug it in. Area equals to 20 times 30. Area is equal to 20 times 30. That is 600 meters squared. All right, so there you go. That is how you find the area of a trapezoid, rhombus, or kite. You write the equation, you label the pieces, then you plug it in.